Recently, I came across a group of YouTube channels that honestly surprised me. They are getting millions of views, building massive audiences, and doing it all with a very specific style of content. For example, look at this comic storytelling channel. In a relatively short amount of time, it has already pulled in hundreds of thousands of subscribers. And the crazy part is, the videos are extremely simple in structure but incredibly effective in keeping people watching. And it's not just one channel, there are multiple channels following almost the exact same strategy. Some focus on dark superhero theories, some explain alternate universes, some cover villain psychology, hidden backstories, or what-if comic scenarios. But the pattern is the same. Every time, cinematic storytelling mixed with emotional narration and engaging visuals. And if you think about it, it makes perfect sense why this niche works so well. Comic book fans are deeply invested in stories. They love mystery, hidden lore, powerful characters, and emotional moments. That's why viewers keep watching till the end. They want answers. They want explanations. They want to see how the story unfolds. Now, most people assume creating this type of content is difficult. They think you need advanced animation skills, expensive editing software, or hours of manual work. But honestly, that's no longer true because now AI tools have made the process much faster and simpler. So in today's video, I will show you how you can create these comic style storytelling videos step by step using Vexub. Alright, first we need an idea. And this part is actually easier than most people think. You don't need to invent entirely new superhero universe. You simply study what's already performing well, look at topics people are clicking on, dark backstories, character breakdowns, alternate timelines, hidden comic facts, or what-if situations. For example, what if Batman became the Joker? The saddest Spider-Man story ever written. How one villain destroyed an entire universe. These kind of titles naturally trigger curiosity. And once you have the idea, you can use ChatGPT to help brainstorm and structure the script. You can either generate completely new story angles or rewrite existing ideas in more cinematic and engaging way. The goal is not copying its own version with your own storytelling flow. Now, once your script is ready, let's move to the video creation process. Go to Vexub and click on Create Video. Then select the text to video option. Now, after that, click Go to step 2. Now, choose the video format. Since comic storytelling works really well in both shorts and long form content, you can choose whichever format fits your plan. Then click on Go to step 3. At this stage, Vexub gives you the option to add an animated narrator, but since we are building a faceless storytelling channel, we can skip that completely. Instead, focus on selecting the right voice. This is important for comic storytelling. You want something cinematic, emotional, and slightly dramatic. The voice plays a huge role in building tension and atmosphere. After selecting the voice, click on Go to step 4. Now paste the script we prepared earlier. Of course, Vexub can also generate scripts automatically, but personally, I prefer preparing the story beforehand so the pacing and emotional flow feels stronger and more unique. Once the script is added, continue to the next step. Now comes the visual section. This is where the videos really start to feel cinematic. Vexub offers multiple visual themes, and for these niche comic style visuals work extremely well. So let's select the comic, and what's interesting is that you can also customize the visual direction further. You can create a consistent style for your own channel so every upload feels recognizable and connected to your brand. That consistency helps a lot with audience retention and channel identity. Now click on Start Generation. In just a few moments, Vexub generates the entire video, visuals, transitions, subtitles, pacing, music, everything aligned with the narration automatically. And honestly, the first output already looks surprisingly polished. Now let's preview the result.
What if Gotham's greatest hero became its greatest villain? Not because he was defeated, not because he died, but because one day, Batman finally lost his mind. Imagine a world where Bruce Wayne becomes the Joker, a world where the smartest man in Gotham gains the madness of its most dangerous criminal. And trust me, if that ever happened, Gotham wouldn't stand a chance. For years, Batman fought an endless war against crime.
And as you can see, the visuals match the storytelling styles really well. The pacing feels smooth, the scenes support the narration, and the entire video already feels like a finished piece of content. But of course, you still have full control to customize the things. You can replace visuals, regenerate scenes, add stock footage, or change subtitle styles, or fine-tune the pacing however you want. This is actually one of the biggest advantages because you are not stuck with the AI result. You can still shape the final video exactly the way you want. And once everything looks clean and ready, simply simply click on export. After processing, your faceless comic storytelling video is fully ready to up. So if you have been looking for a faceless YouTube niche with strong watch time, potential, passionate audiences, and massive storytelling opportunities, comic book storytelling is honestly one of the most underrated spaces right now. And tools like Vexub make the creation process much faster, simpler, and more scalable than before. You can try it out with their free credits first and see how the workflow feels for yourself. And if you like it, you can always upgrade later with one of their subscription plans. That's all for today's video. I'll catch you in the next one.